Everyone, welcome you all. This is part 3 video of SQL query entry questions and answers. In this video, we are going to see 3 important SQL queries. In many interviews, these queries will be asked. Now let us see what are those queries. So the first query is display the highest salary from employee table, display the second highest salary from employee table, display the nth highest salary from employee table. So these are the 3 important queries. Now let us see one by one. So here, if you want to find highest salary, we can use many ways are there, but mainly we use max function, or we can do by using limit keyword, or we can do by using top keyword. So max function is available in almost every database, and you can use it in Oracle, or you can use it in MySQL and SQL Server databases. And limit keyword you can use in MySQL database, and top keyword you can use in Microsoft SQL Server database. Okay, now we will see how many ways we can write the queries. First, let us start with the highest salary from employee table by using max function, limit keyword, and top keyword. So let's see how we can write the query for highest salary from employee table. Now I have connected to MySQL database, and here I have an employee table, and here I have some data, all the salary column, employee ID, name column. So I want to find out the maximum salary from this table. So when I say select a salary from employee, so this will give you salary column data from the employee table. Now we need to find out which one is the maximum salary. So simply we can use max function here, max of salary. So when I execute this, this will give you maximum salary, which is highest salary from the employee table. Now same thing we can also achieve by using limit keyword. So now we will see how we can achieve this by using limit keyword. So for that, what we can do is, first of all, let me select the salary column. I say select a star from employee. And instead of star, I'm just capturing only salary column. So when I execute this, which will display all the salaries from the column. Now what I want to do is, this column data, I just want to print in the descending order. So what we can do is order by DESE. Now when I execute this query, select the salary from employee, order by salary column, right? Order by salary column. And if I don't display the descending, then what happens? All the salaries will be displayed in the ascending order. Now here we will get the maximum salary at the last line, right? So now when I say describe DESE, descending order, now the same data will be displayed in the descending order. Now the first record will have maximum value or highest value. Now we need to get only that value. So for that, we can use a keyword called limit 1. So when I execute this query now, which will give you the maximum salary from the table by using limit keyword. So by using max keyword, here we use max function. And then, so here we used limit keyword. Now we'll see how we can use top keyword. So top keyword is basically works only on MS SQL Server. Now let me connect to the MS SQL Server editor. So I'm using and web console here, and this is the website I'm using. Here I can execute all SQL queries on my SQL Server, MS SQL Server. Okay. So I already created one table, employee table, which contains all the data. Let's say data, EMP ID, e-name, and salary. So when I execute select star from employee, which will give you all the data here. So now we need to find out the maximum salary from this table by using top keyword. So for that, what we can do is, first of all, let me just say select a salary from employee. So first I'm capturing only salary column. When I execute this, now we got only salary column from the table. So unable to find host provided ID. So probably salary column is not correct. Let me execute. Okay, so now salary column is there. So select a salary from employee table. So let me just execute one more time. Okay, now we got the salary data. So this is basically in ascending order. Okay, so now what we need to just print this data in the descending order. So for that, what we can do is, here we can simply say order by salary. Now when I execute this, which will display the data in the descending order. So now we got in ascending order. So if I print this, if I execute this query, by default, it is giving in ascending order. Now we want to print this data in the descending order. So for that, what we can do, we can use DESC. So this particular query will give you data in the descending order. Now the data is displayed in the descending order. Now the first value we need to capture, that's the highest salary. So here we use something called top keyword, top one. So means it will fetch only first record. So when I execute this record, when I execute this query, which will give you the highest salary from the employee table, which is 30,000. Okay, so this is how we can capture the highest salary from the table by using max function, limit keyword, and top keyword. So now we will see the second query. So display the second highest salary from employee table. Display the second highest salary from employee table. Now again, go back. Second highest salary. Again, we can do by using max function, by using limit keyword. Now let me show you. Second highest salary or second maximum salary. So we already captured maximum salary by using max function, right? So we need to capture the second highest salary. This time we need to capture the highest second salary by using max function. So here this particular query will give you maximum salary from the table. Now we need to capture the second maximum salary. So to capture the second maximum salary, the second maximum salary is always less than first maximum salary, right? So we need to write a subquery. I say select salary from employee where salary less than, and this is an inner query, or we can say subquery. So now what happens? The inner query will return the maximum salary value, and that becomes the input of the outer query. So now what is the output which will return? So the inner query return the 30,000, and this particular query will give you all the salaries which are less than 30,000. So now when I execute this, we will get all the salaries which are less than 30,000. Now in this list, we need to find out maximum salary. That is the second highest salary. Simply we can use one more max function here, max of salary. Now this will give you the second highest salary or second maximum salary, which is the second highest salary here, 28,000. So when I execute, we will get the second highest salary, which is 28,000. So by using max function, we can do it. This is by using max function. Okay, second highest salary we can get by using max function. So now we can see how we can get the second highest salary by using limit keyword. By using limit keyword, how we can get the second highest salary by using limit keyword. So we already created one query which is getting the highest salary, right? So let me just try this. Select a salary from employee, order by salary, DESC limit one. When I execute this, what is happening? Which is returning highest salary. Now we need to capture the second highest salary. Second highest salary. Now, when I say limit one, which will give you only the first record. Let's say select the salary from employee, order by salary, DESC. Suppose let me just remove this. So what this query will do, this query will display all the salaries in descending order. Now we need to get the first one. So for that, I can use limit keyword. I say limit one, that will give you the maximum salary, first row or first value, which will return. But I want to get the first two rows. So I want to get the first two. Then what I can do, I say limit two. Now when I execute this, you will get the first two rows. So now you can see 28,000 is the second maximum salary. So that value we need to extract now. So 28,000 is the second highest salary that we want to extract now. So for that, what we need to do, this is returning 30,000 and 28,000. Now from this result set, we need to extract 28,000. So how can extract 28,000 from this list, from this result set? We need to write one more query here. Select salary from, and here you can keep the inner query like this. Now the inner query will return the two results, 30,000 and 28,000. From this list or from this result set, we need to extract 28,000. We need to extract the 28,000. So now what we need to do here is here I'm giving one alias called EMP. This is just a alias. So whatever the results we will get from this query will be assigned to this EMP table. Now from this EMP, I'm capturing the salary data. So what the EMP contains now, these two records, and these two records I am getting by this query. Select a salary means if I execute this query, which will give you three sets, because the inner query is returned 30,000 and 28,000. Now here, what I can do is here, I'll say order by salary, order by salary. Now observe this. So when I also execute this query, we will get the ascending order data. Now, which one we need to extract? The first one, 28,000. Simply you can use limit keyword, limit 1. So now this will give you the second maximum salary of the employee table. So this is how we can write the query. By using a limit keyword, we can capture second highest salary or second maximum salary from employee table by using limit keyword. Okay, now we will see by using top keyword. So top keyword again works only on SQL Server. Now we will see how we can capture second highest salary by using top keyword. Let's move on to the editor. So earlier we have created this query, which will give you the maximum salary from the table, which is 30,000. Now we need to extract the second maximum salary from the table by using top keyword. So for that, what we need to do is we will use this query again. So this will give you the maximum salary from the table. This will give you maximum salary from the table. Now I will just change top 2. Instead of 1, I say top 2. Now what happens? This will give you the maximum 2 salaries from the table. So maximum 2 salaries, which is 30,000 and 28,000. So 28,000 is a second maximum salary. 28,000 is a second maximum salary. So now what I will do is I will write one subquery or inner query. So let's keep this in the subquery, and then here I will write select salary from select a salary from. So whatever result we will get from this inner query, let me write in multiple lines. So whatever the result we will get from this inner query, we are capturing the result. So I'm just giving some alias again, EMP, and I say if I execute this query again, what will happen? So this will just print the same data again, 30,000 and 28,000. We need to get the 28,000. So if you want to get the 28,000, first of all, we need to display the result in the ascending order. Then we will get the first record. So to print the data in ascending order, I can say order by salary, order by salary. So here, just conclude this statement. So when I execute this query, let me write in multiple lines. So when I execute this query, what happens? Which will give you 28,000 and 30,000. So now it is arranged in ascending order. So what's the next step? We need to capture the first value. There's a second highest salary. First value we need to capture. So for that, I can use limit keyword. I say limit 1. I can say limit 1. Now observe this. When I execute this, which will give you second highest maximum salary. So incorrect syntax near limiter. So where we have to use, we should not use limit, top keyword, right? So here we should not use limit. So instead of limit here, we can simply say top 1 because we are using top keyword. So now when I execute this, this will give you second maximum salary. So incorrect syntax near 1. So select top 1 salary from select to top 2 salary from employee, order by salary, descending order, EMP, order by salary. Here we should remove 1 here, okay, because we already put top 1 here, so we have to remove it. Now this time, which will give you 28,000. So this is how we need to extract second highest salary from the table by using top keyword. Okay, so with this we have seen how to display the second highest salary by using max keyword, limit keyword, and a top keyword. So now we will see how to display the nth highest salary from employee table. Again, in 3 different ways: max, limit, and top. Nth highest salary. Now go back. So here, nth highest salary. So let us take a third maximum salary. So third highest salary I want to capture by using max function. So let me just capture this. This will give you second highest salary, right? So this query will give you second highest salary. So now we need to capture the third highest salary. Now the third highest salary should be less than second highest salary, right? Third highest salary should be less than second highest salary. Now we need to keep this whole query in the sub query. Now we have to make the entire query in the sub query, and whatever is written by this query, the actual third maximum salary should be less than the output of this query, right? This will return the second maximum salary or second highest salary. So the third highest salary should be less than second highest salary. So we use a less than operator. Again, we use select max of salary from employee where salary less than. So multiple levels of queries we need to create. So now this is a one query and this is another subquery. Select max of salary from employee where salary less than. Select max of salary from employee where again salary less than. Select max of salary from employee, and then we need to close the bracket. So this will give you third maximum salary. So we need to create multiple levels of query. So if I want to get third highest salary, we have to write 3 different select statement, and 3 times we need to get. So here this is a salary column. Okay, now let me just execute. So this will give you 25,000. So 25,000 is the third highest salary. If I just look at the table, 25,000 is a third highest salary. Highest one is 30,000. Second highest is 28,000. Third highest is 25,000. So like this, if you want to get nth highest salary, you need to keep on writing multiple subqueries. So it depends on the number of levels. So this is by using max function. Now I'll show you how we can find nth highest salary by using limit keyword. Now let us see nth highest salary by using limit keyword. So here we already written one query to capture second highest salary, right? Let me use it. So when I execute this, what it is returning? This is returning 28,000. This is actually second highest salary. So this is actually second highest salary, right? Now we need to capture nth highest salary. That means third, fourth, or whatever it is. So simply we can modify this query. So how we can modify? So we want to get the third highest salary. So as a first step, what we can do is, if I just look at this query, so this query select a salary from employee, order by salary, descending order, limit 2. So this time we need to take 3. So this time we need to take 3. Okay, now when I execute this internal query, 3 statement and 3 records we got: 30,000, 28,000, and 25,000. 30,000, 28, 25,000. So this particular query is return highest top 3 salaries, top 3 highest salaries. Now we need to capture 25,000. That's a third highest salary. So we mentioned 3, right? So we got 3 records here. So we need to capture third highest salary, which is 25,000. Now, whatever results we get it from this query, which will be stored in the EMP, this is a temporary table. Now from this table, we are capturing the salary. So which is getting the same data. Now when I execute till here, which will give you the same records. Now I'm printing the data by using order by salary. Order by salary. So let me just remove this limit 1. So when I execute this query, so which will display the data in descending order now, because I say order by salary, right? Order by means by default it will display the data in the descending order. Now we need to capture the first one. So simply we can use limit 1. So when I execute this query, which will give you third highest salary from the table. Third highest salary from the table. So like this, we can use limit keyword to capture third highest salary from the table. Now we will see by using top keyword. So how we can capture nth highest salary means we can just change this value. Suppose if you want to get 5th highest salary, then you can put here 5. Or if you want to get 10th highest salary, you can just change 3 as a 10. Okay, so with this query, we will able to get the nth highest salary by using limit keyword. Now we will see how we can get the nth highest salary by using top keyword. Now let's go to SQL Server Editor. So this is a query which we have written to capture second highest salary, right? Now let us try to modify this query. When I execute this, which will give you 28,000, that is actually second highest salary. Second highest salary. Now we want to get the third highest salary, just make it top 3 salary. Instead of top 2, just make it as a top 3. Okay, just make it as a top 3. Now let us try to execute. So now this will give you 25,000. So that is a third maximum salary. So how this query is going to execute? Select the top 3 salary from employee, order by salary descending. So what this query will execute when I execute this query, which will give you top 3 salaries. So top 3 salaries, they are 30,000, 28,000, 25,000. Order by salary, I said in descending order. So in descending order, it is displayed. Now, which one we need to get? 25,000 we need to get. So to get that, first of all, we will print this data from this query. So this query data I'm storing into EMP, that is alias. Now from this, I'm getting top 1 and also order by salary. So when I say order by salary here, which will display in the ascending order. So 25,000 will come first. And top 1 means, suppose let me just remove the top 1. Now execute. So because here I applied order by salary, now we can see here, we got all the salaries in descending order. Sorry, in ascending order. Now, which salary we want to get? The first one. That's a third maximum salary. So here we use a top 1. Top 1. So when I execute this, which will give you the third highest salary from the employee table. So like this, by using top keyword, we can capture the highest salary. Third highest salary, or if you want to get fourth highest salary or fifth highest salary, we can just change this value, top 3 or top 4 or top 5. So accordingly, we can get the nth highest salary from the employee table. So like this, we can write the query. So we can get the highest salary, second highest salary, or nth highest salary from the employee table. By using max function, we can get it from limit keyword. We can also get it from top keyword. And remember, max function will work almost in every database. Limit keyword works only on MySQL database. Top keyword works only on Microsoft SQL Server database. Okay. So that's all for this video, guys. In the next video, we will see a few more important questions. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.